Hey guys, it's me, Shayla. So today I'm going to be doing a video that I kind of thought of last minute, but it's like a good idea, so I just decided, you know, why not do it? I've seen another YouTuber do this video, but I just wanted to freaking do it. So today I'm going to be doing a full day of me eating like Trisha Paytas. If you don't know who Trisha Paytas is, then you're probably living under a rock. Okay, just kidding. But yeah, I mean, like, everyone knows Trisha Paytas. She does a lot of like car mukbangs, I mean other videos and stuff, but like those videos mainly because of her like car mukbangs. And also I'm just kind of using this video as an excuse to eat like really bad because I haven't eaten all day because I'm waiting for this because this is gonna be like a huge meal. So today we're gonna be going to like Taco Bell for sure because I really want to try their nacho fries, and then like Burger King, and just I'm gonna be trying stuff that I've seen Trisha Paytas try, and I'm just very excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Michaela right now just because she wanted to come with me, and then we're gonna go try some stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, mostly for the nacho fries because I've seen everyone talk about them and I just want to try them. But other than the nacho fries, I think I'm gonna try and get a shamrock shake if they have that at McDonald's. I'm not sure if they still have it or not, but yeah, so we're gonna go get Michaela now and we're gonna get started. So keep watching if you want to see me eat food like Trisha Paytas for the day. Alright everyone, so first place we're going today is gonna be 7-Eleven. So yeah, we're going inside 7-Eleven right now. We might get the nachos, but we're definitely getting the little taco things. So yeah,
the nachos there and
alright everyone, so we just picked up the nachos from 7-Eleven and the little taquito things. So yeah, we're gonna go to Taco Bell now to get nacho fries. Now we're actually at Taco Bell and I'm gonna be getting the nacho fries, and I feel like I should get a Baja Blast. I mean, I've never tried it, but should I get a Baja Blast or should I get something from Burger King as a milkshake?
$2.50, $1 for
okay, it's $1 for one right now, so I'm gonna have to go with the Baja Blast. Hello? That's all.
Like mama, I love a pencil and I stay rolling. You tryna diss me? I need you 6 feet. She say, come and lick me. V12, I'm riding in a 6 feet.
I need to get a grill. I need to get, my birthday, I'm gonna be getting a tattoo right here. So comment down below what I should put there because I still don't know, but I'm definitely getting it. Ah. Thank you. Guys, I'm wasting big bucks on this video. $5 at 7-Eleven, $3 at Taco Bell. That adds up to $8. Thank you.
Ooh. Okay, well, I'm with you.
Okay. Got the Taco Bell. Yes, bitches, I got it.
Taco Bell and Burger King.
Can you tell her it's for a video so she doesn't think I'm a pig?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, can I just have the spicy crispy chicken sandwich with no tomatoes and no mayonnaise?
Alright, just a sandwich, just one?
Yeah, keep the lettuce on it.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all.
Alright, so it's gonna be $4.94, chicken with it.
Thank you. $5 at Burger King. That's a whole $15. Alright, so where do I park? I'm gonna park somewhere.
Park in like the giant thing, you know?
Alright, so I just got from Burger King the new spicy crispy chicken sandwich that Trisha Paytas actually like just tried. So I'm gonna try that. But first I'm gonna start with the 7-Eleven just because it's probably getting cold. Kind of scared. I've never really gotten food from 7-Eleven before, but ew, they're so nasty.
Let me try them.
This is the worst cheese I've ever tried in my life. I feel like barfing. Cheese just tastes like really like
it's just like
nasty. I don't know what it is. I've tasted cheese like this before. I don't know where I got it from, but I've definitely tried cheese like this before and I don't like it. Okay, there. I have a bunch. Okay, so I'm gonna say, like, I just tried this Baja Blast and it's kind of really good. If you didn't know, I'm going to Jamaica this summer for my birthday. Pretty big freaking deal. Very excited. Never been to Jamaica. They're actually kind of good. I'm starting to get used to them. Next thing I've actually been really excited to try is this spicy crispy chicken sandwich that she got. And I got it just like her. No tomatoes, no, what the hell? They gave me no lettuce. Okay, so we're gonna have to deal with it. Yours had lettuce on it. I wish mine had lettuce on it, but it doesn't. So I guess I'm just eating it. Just the chicken. Anywho. This would be so good with some lettuce. This is really good. So good. I don't know. Needs more ketchup. This is really good. I love spicy stuff. Okay. Now I'm gonna be trying. Should I try the nacho fries or should I try the taquitos?
Oh, nacho fries.
I'm very excited for these because everyone has been talking about them on YouTube. I just can't get enough of these nacho fries, so we're gonna try them. First, let me try it just alone. It doesn't look that appetizing to me, but you could be the judge of that.
I just don't know how it's gonna taste with the cheese.
I know. Fries on their own, 4 out of 10. Now we're gonna try it with the cheese. Let's hope it makes it better, but if anything, I think it'll make it worse. Smell? Blech. I'm just kidding. Okay, I don't know what everyone is talking about. This is like disgusting. There you go. Oopsie. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I don't know what everyone's talking about. I swear, they just made the... What the hell? Is this gonna break or what? They just made the fries because that's their nacho sauce, right?
I don't know.
I don't like it. Let me try some more, though. I mean, I'm kind of getting used to it just because I've been eating it, but, wouldn't buy it again. And I can double dip if I want because it's my sauce.
What if you dip nachos in here?
Ugh, nasty. Let me try. We're dipping it in the nacho sauce from Taco Bell. That looks better. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna have to get back to that chicken sandwich soon because it's really good. I actually kind of like these. I think it's being a bit dramatic. I mean, I definitely don't think I would get them again. But I mean, it's nice to know they're there, you know. Maybe one day I'll go to Taco and say, I want some fries too. And they'll be there for me to get, but I'm not gonna start adding this to my regular order. Not that I even go to Taco Bell that much. Like, I don't really go to any of these fast food places beside Burger King. But, yeah. Burger King's really good. Now I'm gonna be trying these taquitos. Yeah. Trisha Paytas tried them before, and I just want to try them. I mean, they don't look the most appetizing, as you can tell, but, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go all in, and I think I might just have to take a bite. First of all, smell and look are both turning me off, but let's see if the taste can really, looks like dog food.
Stop.
Ew. What the? Cheers. So, that one's canceled. Definitely don't go to 7-Eleven and get these taquitos because they're freaking disgusting. Alright, so, we're just gonna go back to good old yummy, crispy chicken spicy sandwich from Burger King. I mean, it would totally be a 10 out of 10 if it had lettuce, but, unfortunately they didn't listen to me, so it's gonna turn to an 8 out of 10. I think I'm being a little dramatic because, like, this isn't even that good. It's just because it's the only thing that really tastes decent to me that I could get again if I wanted it. Okay. So, I didn't know that you had to pay for a passport, so that's kind of a damper on, I don't know, it's just like, what the hell, like, why do I have to pay, like, 100-something bucks for a freaking passport? I thought they were free. So that was a big shock to me, or a big surprise when I found that. What the hell is in here? I dropped something in there and it looks gross.
Well, first of all, there's a hair on the
I know. Let me take it out with a straw. Damn it, I just covered it. So it just makes it out. I forget about it. Honestly, you know, I'm very appreciative. I'm very appreciative.
No, appreciative.
I'm very appreciative. For all the things I have. And honestly, when my mother decided to surprise us with a freaking trip to Jamaica for my 18th birthday, might I add, I don't know, I'm just very excited. There's just so many things to do that I've always wanted to do that are in freaking Jamaica. And I just think it'll be the greatest experience of my life, and I'm just gonna have a lot of fun. But I didn't know you had to pay $135 for a passport, so yeah. I don't know what to eat now. I'm kind of stuffed. I don't really like fast food. Brain freeze. Oh my god. Or something. Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to explode. What the hell was that? Oh my god. So, speaking of my Jamaica trip, I don't know, I was just thinking about this, and that's why I started talking about the Jamaica trip, and then I forgot about it, but, I love this movie by, well, not by her, but she's in it, Amy Schumer. It's called Snatched. Her and her mom go to Ecuador. They end up being kidnapped, and they get away, but then they still try and look for them, blah, blah, and I was just thinking, like, what if this happens to me in Jamaica? I've never been out of the country before, and even though, like, we're gonna be in a resort and stuff, it's like, if we even leave the resort, like, we could get taken away. I don't know, I'm just very scared, but that's definitely not stopping me from going. Like, what the hell? I'm going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica, man! Anywho. I feel like if I ate it right away, it would be crispier, but yeah. So these are trash, for sure. I guess I'll eat some more of these these nachos. Oh, I'll dip it, I'll dip it in that sauce, because I don't like that one. I'm just gonna dip the 7-Eleven fries inside, 7-Eleven nachos in the Taco Bell cheese, just because they're not doing any good for the fries, so. Other than Burger King, I really don't go to fast food places anymore. They just kind of gross me out, but I had to make this video, so. I took one for the team for sure. Taco Bell just isn't my favorite thing anymore like it used to be. Burger King, it's good, alright. A Whopper with their fries, so good. Another thing, when I used to go to a McDonald's way back when, I never really ever, that's gross, like, I don't pick McDonald's if I'm hungry, you know? It's just if I happen to be there, I'll get something. But I used to be obsessed with getting a McDonald's cheeseburger with no onions and no pickles, and I would get a large Coke, and I would just dip the cheeseburger in the Coke and just eat it like that, because I thought it was so freaking good. I mean, honestly, it is really good. It's still really good. I just don't go there, so I don't care for it. But, yeah, pretty good, because you get, like, you taste the cheeseburger and the ketchup, and then you start chewing some more, and it's, like, fizzy with, like, bread. I don't know. Very good. I think I'm ending these nachos. Ugh. They're canceled as well. This video is probably going to be up on a Friday or a Saturday. I'm not sure, because I just uploaded a lookbook video yesterday, so I can't upload this today. But if you didn't see that lookbook video, definitely go check it out. I don't know. It has like a weird taste, like right when you bite into it, but then it gets good. But I don't know what the weird taste is. That's crispy. Okay. So, I'm having a great spring break, you know, just living life, didn't really go anywhere, but school's starting up on Monday? On Monday?
Yeah.
On Monday. It's Wednesday, so I guess we have a little bit more time, but I just kind of thought I would do something more exciting with my life, you know, not my life, my spring break. I mean, whatever, like, I just keep thinking about stuff that I'm not doing, and then I just keep thinking whatever, because I'm going to Jamaica. But it's like, Jamaica can't make up for all the things I'm not doing, you know? But I'm just going to keep focusing on Jamaica and nothing else, so I won't be sad about anything. I'll just be excited about Jamaica. I mean, turning 18 in Jamaica, party, am I right? It's going to be so fun, so freaking lit. But yeah, look forward to those videos, because I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to be telling you what I'm doing, but if you want to find out, just stay tuned till July 25th. That's my birthday. I'm definitely gonna do a birthday video in Jamaica, like a get ready with me, like birthday get ready with me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to end it there. I didn't really finish any of this except for the chicken sandwich, but there's a reason for it. So if you want to go get the nacho fries, definitely just get it just to, you know, see what all the hype is about. But I'm here to tell you that they're gross. So yeah. The Baja Blast, I would rate that probably, here, let me rate everything just one more time just so you know. Nacho fries, 2 out of 10. Taquitos, -11 out of 10. Baja Blast, I've never tried this before, and it was definitely way better than I expected, so I'm gonna give this a 7.3 out of 10. Nachos, 1 out of 10. What else did I get? Oh, crispy chicken sandwich, 7 out of 10. And taquitos, I already said, -11 out of 10. So, cheese on its own, solid 5 out of 10. But, yeah. I'm done with this food, so thanks for watching. Bye!